So, it's been a really long time since I have my keyboard. It's like a year or so, and having the same looks over a year made me want to do something. And it is changing the keycaps. After I knew what I have to do, I decided to search some PBT keycaps in the local online store that's only accessible in Indonesia. It took me a while till I find a really cheap PBT that only costs 100k IDR. The seller is only providing a mixed color keycaps, and they got a lot of variations of colors, which is pretty nice. Not gonna lie, it took me like 50 minutes till I can decide what color I want to mix with. The material is PBT Doubleshot with transparent leather backlit. They only sell a standard full keyboard layout, and they got OEM provide keycaps. The colors that are available is a lot like black, blue, green, gray, orange, pink, purple, red, Tusca, white, and so on. I can say they got a lot of positive reviews too. Since the price is really cheap, I went to Google and check the price in USD. And it's surprisingly cheap. And so I decided to buy it. The design of their box is pretty decent, and there's nothing special in it. But I kinda like the wave design and the colors in it, like RGB things. The only thing that is in the box is the logo, the keycap's identity, and a text. Talking about the keycaps, as I said, it's a PBT Doubleshot, so the font will last much longer than usual. But I don't know how it's like since it's very cheap, and I don't know if it's actually promising or not. I can say the color quality is pretty good considering the price. And looking at my old keycap, the PBT keycap seems much thicker than my ABS built-in keycap. And it gave me a very solid texture when I touch it. So let's go to the installation. Not gonna lie, changing and installing the keycaps took a really long time. But at least I still have some fun with it, and I actually enjoy the process. And here's my scuffed keyboard layout. Yeah. Anyways, let's continue the video. So the result is actually pretty good. I feel satisfied. I can say the keycap made my keyboard looks pretty nice and pretty fresh. Also, they didn't fool me with the quality they promised based on the description. Like, there's literally low amount, or I can say zero, light bleeding, and the soft texture make the grip when typing is way more comfortable, and I got zero problem with it. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for seeing my future videos in like, I don't know, 2 or 6 months I guess. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.